Hello traders, I welcome you to Happy Traders Zone. Disclaimer: trading and investments are subject to market risk, so we are not a SEBI registered analyst, so we are just sharing our interpretations and previous past experience which we have been undergone. So before making any decisions, kindly make your own analysis or consult with your financial advisors. So now let us get into this video. In this video, we are going to see about the swing analysis opportunities of RBL Bank, Hindalco, BSE, DLF and Kotak Bank. As well as we can use this chart for the intraday also. So now let us start the stock analysis. So let me start with the RBL Bank. So if we want to the weekly time frame, here we have the interesting type of pattern. So far I haven't seen a pattern like this. So if you see here, this is the weekly time frame, and let me mark some pattern formation. So this kind of pattern is known as the inverted head and shoulder pattern. If you see here, the stock has formed the such a pattern and it has been named as inverted head and shoulder pattern. So whenever there is a fall and after the fall this kind of pattern form has been formed, higher the chances we can expect the target of this level. Whenever we take the trade, normally we will be expecting 5 to 10% of trade for the 5 to 10% of profit for the swing trade and 2 to 3% of profit for the intraday trade. But in such scenario, we can expect up to this amount of target. And the interesting thing is, if we move on to the daily time frame, you will get to know about this interesting factor. Before that, let me realign the chart now. Yeah, so let me get in into the 1 day time frame. So whatever the black line I mentioned, it's a weekly time frame. Okay. So I am just deleting this, and if you see here, so the scenario is in the 1 day time frame also we having the exact inverted head and shoulder pattern. So as part of the target, if we realign this line, 1 week weekly time frame. Okay, I'm just realigning this line. You see here. Yeah. So I'm moving to the 1 day time frame. So if we see here, we have the inverted head and shoulder pattern in the weekly time frame as well as inverted head and shoulder pattern in the daily time frame. So as a swing trader, we will consider only this day time frame as we expect a quick profit. Okay, and if we see here, so here we have the price rejection, and after so many type of so many numbers of price rejection, finally today the stock has been broken this level, and we knows before itself this level will be get broken by today, and we gave the buy call in our telegram group, as well as we also took the buy entry over here. And for the members who is seeing this video, so once the today high is breaks by tomorrow, you can take the entry. And regarding the stop loss, you can have the stop loss of around 210 or the 29 you can have. So exact stop loss I have been mentioned in the telegram group. So if you want to know about the exact stop loss, so please do follow us on telegram channel, and its name is Happy Traders Zone. Okay, and where do we can expect the target means up to 250 we can expect the first target, and later on up to 270 or 275 we can expect as the final target. And if you want to make any investment, so just wait for the completion of this week, and Monday you can make a new entry if this weekly candle is completely bullish. And for the weekly traders I will be providing the swing trade investment target. So actually I no need to give, if I make a mark, so everyone can able to understand whether it is high reliable or not. Okay, so if you see here, out of head and shoulder pattern, so this is the head. So whenever this pattern got breakout, so this will be our target, and I'm just moving this target over here. Yeah, perfect. And I'm just keeping the cursor here. It's around 442, and if you see here, this 442 level is the previous strong support. Once the stock has been broken this support, it's completely fallen, and now again it has the potential to reach up to this level. So please make use of this stock for the intraday swing trade as well as for the investment. Okay, now let us move on to the next stock, which is Hindalco. Let me move on to the daily time frame. Okay, so due to time constraint I have already drawn the patterns. Okay, so if you see here, we have the price rejections 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times of price rejection, and finally the stock has been given the breakout, and again one day and 2 day it gave the retest, and today it has been again breaks the previous breakout candle. And if you see here, the breakout volume is if you see here, the breakout volume is high, as well as the today's volume is also high. So actually I placed some buy order in this stock, but due to time I didn't get the buy entry. So later on only I saw this stock and made a buy entry, but by chance I didn't get. So by tomorrow if we get the buy entry by 390 or 391, it will be a good buy entry for this stock. And for the intraday buyers, if you once this today high is breakout, and if any 5 minutes candle stayed above this level, you can make a new buy entry, and up to the target of up to 400 or the 405 we can expect for the intraday. And for the swing traders we can expect up to 425 or 427. Regarding the stop loss, please do follow our telegram group. Let me move on to the next stock, which is BSE. So in BSE we have the flat pattern breakout, and now the stock is trying to give the retracement. If you see here, we have the flag pole, and here we have the flag kind of a shape, which is known as the flag pattern. And whenever we have the flag pattern breakout, we can expect the target of this up to this pole. So if you see here, it's coming around 1315. So as a quick target, we can expect about 978, which is already achieved. But even though the stock has been, it will come here and it will touch the black line. Once it touch, we can place the buy order up to 930 to 935. We can make the new entry on this stock, and we can expect the shorter target of 978, and for the final target of 1135 we can expect. So now let us move on to the next stock, so which is DLF. The same kind of flag pattern has been breakout, and the breakout has been done one day before itself, and yesterday it gave the retest, and today the yesterday and the previous days high has been broken. So DLF is good to enter now also, and we can expect the quick target of around 310. And intraday buyers, if one day any one 5 minutes candle closes and stays above this today's high, we can make the entry and you can wait for the target of 305, and as a final target up to 310 it has potential to go. So next we have the Kotak Mahindra Bank. So Kotak Mahindra Bank is in a descending triangular pattern. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 number of rejections, and finally the stock has gave the breakout today. The breakout is not a very good breakout. The volume is okay, but the breakout is not much good. So we will wait one more day. If any 1 hour candle stays above this level, which is 1768 or 69, any 1 hour candle stays above this level, we can make the new entry. And if you are a office goer or a part-time trader, you can make the entry by seeing the tomorrow's end of candle. If the candle's high and close is greater than this today's high, then you can make the new buy entry, and as a quicker profit we can expect around 1825. If you like this video, please do like and subscribe our channel, and also you want me to make any stock analysis, please do your comment in the comment section. And if you don't like this video also, please do dislike and comment the reason in the comment section. Thank you. Happy trading.